Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing Apple's iPad Pro 10.5 inch. This iPad Pro is a rose gold 256GB model. These come in an array of different colors and storage configurations. This iPad Pro isn't actually mine, this is my mum's, so out of all this I'm going to be getting an iPad 3, but this is the new iPad Pro, which has been out for about a year now, but I waited around for WWDC. I told mum to wait to make sure they didn't release a new one, but with WWDC now past us, there is no new iPad Pros, so as mum was in desperate need for a new iPad, we've gone ahead and purchased this 10.5 inch iPad Pro in 256GB with the rose gold color. So opening it up here, just a standard sort of Apple unboxing here. Unlike the iPhone 7 and above, it doesn't have that plastic tab that you now just pull up on. You actually have to cut the plastic like you did with older generations of iPhones. So taking it out of the plastic here now, I'm actually keeping the shrink wrap on the front of it just to preserve the box, as I like to keep all of the accessories and everything and box and things like that for the iPad. You can see here, lifting it up, we have a frosted piece of plastic over the iPad Pro. We can go ahead and pull that out of the box. In the box itself, you'll find a 12-watt Apple power brick, as well as a lightning cable, some warranty information, basic get started guide, and of course, Apple stickers. Now the iPad itself is covered in this frosted plastic wrap, so we can go ahead and pull that off to reveal the iPad Pro. You can see here, booting it up for the first time, I'm going to go ahead and let this turn on and boot up to the hello screen. Okay, so we can go ahead and unlock the iPad and go ahead and set it up just like you would any other iPad. Now this iPad is actually going to be restored from a backup of my mum's old iPad 3, 32 gig, which is obviously running iOS 9, so this is a big upgrade for my mum as she's now looking to upgrade to a much more powerful iPad. So after that, there's a few more steps I had to complete before the iPad was completely set up. So this is it, the iPad Pro 10.5 inch 256GB in rose gold. It was released back in 2017 in silver, space gray, gold and rose gold. It comes in 64, 256 and 512GB of storage. It's a 2.3 GHz Apple A10X Fusion processor with 6 cores and 4 gigs of RAM. Down the bottom of the iPad, you'll find 2 speakers along with a lightning connector. On the top of the iPad, you'll find a headphone jack along with a microphone, 2 more speakers, and of course the power button. On the other side, you'll find a volume rocker and nothing else. And on the other side, you'll find the smart connector for accessories like the keyboard case. On the back, you'll find a 12 megapixel rear-facing camera, flash, and microphone. On the top of the iPad, you'll find a 10.5 inch Retina HD display with True Tone as well as a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes the user interface feel extremely fast. As well on the front there, you're going to be finding a Touch ID Generation 2 for faster unlocking speeds. Running Geekbench here, you can see that the iPad itself gets a single core score of 3,965 and a multi-core score of almost 10,000, coming in at 9,381. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys listen to the speakers on the iPad Pro. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be restoring this iPhone 6s 64GB. Although it's hard to tell on video, this has to be hands down the best sounding iPad ever released. Another neat trick you can do with iOS 11 on the iPad is the fact that you can now do the secondary number keys and things like that right on the first keyboard. It's something that iOS 11 has brought to the iPad lineup, is it's made it much more usable like a computer. This is a photograph taken on the iPad Pro, and you can actually record all the way up to 4K at 30 frames a second on the iPad Pro. Now I'll be filming in 1080p at 60 frames a second for this test footage. We are filming on the 10.5 inch iPad Pro. This is a handheld shot. You can see same quality, same camera as the iPhone 7. So it's got built-in image stabilization as well, so get a nice smooth video. This is filmed at 1080p in 60 frames a second. As you can see, it films quite well. The microphone is a little bit quiet, but overall, it's actually pretty good. And with that being said, I do highly recommend this iPad, although I wouldn't recommend picking one up this late if you're going to be picking up one brand new, because this is now 1 year old, it's likely that Apple will release a new iPad later this year. So if you are able to hold off on getting a newer iPad, then I would do that until the next generation comes out, when you can go ahead and pick that up. Now you can see here, this is the iPad Pro 10.5 inch compared to the first generation iPad. You can see just how thin this iPad is in thickness, but also in screen bezel, and overall it's an amazing iPad. It has the best display on an iPad. It beats the cheaper 9.7 inch and 12.9 inch iPad Pro. The 10.5 inch iPad Pro is definitely Apple's best ever iPad released, with its 120Hz refresh rate, the True Tone display, its quad speaker arrangement, and support for the Apple Pencil and Apple keyboard cases. And on that note, this has been a Hugh Jeffries video. If you like what you saw, consider hitting that subscribe button and checking out some of my other content, as well as following me on my social media. Link will be down in the description. That's all for this video, and I'll catch you guys next time.